Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is recommendation system. Let's start it. A recommendation system is a type of information filtering systems that suggest items or content to user based on their preferences, behavior, or interests. Type of recommendation system. First is content-based filtering recommends items similar to those user has liked or interact with. Second is collaborative filtering recommends items based on the behavior of similar user. Third is hybrid approach combines multiple techniques such as content-based and collaborative filtering. Application of recommendation system. First is e-commerce recommends products to customer based on their browsing and purchase history. Second is streaming services recommends movies, TV show, or music based on user preference. Third is social media recommends content such as posts or articles to user based on their interests. Benefits of recommendation system. First is personalization provides user with personalized recommendation. Second is increased engagement, encouraging user to interact with the system. Third is improved sales, increased sales and revenue for businesses. Challenges of recommendation system. First is data suppressity. Limited use data can make it difficult to provide accurate recommendation. Third is cloud start. The problem new user or items can challenging to recommend it. Third is based and fairness, ensuring recommendation are fair and unbiased. Here are some additional aspects of recommendation system. First, recommendation system techniques. First is matrix factorization, reduce dimensionality of user item interaction matrix. Second is deep learning, use neural networks to learn complex patterns in user behavior. Third is natural language processing, analyze text data and understand user preference. Recommendation systems evaluation matrix. First is precision, measure the accuracy of recommendation. Second is recall, measure the coverage of relevant items in recommendation. Third is F1 score, balancing precision and recall. Real world example. First is Netflix use recommendation system to suggest TV show and movies. Second is Amazon recommends products based on user browsing and purchase history. Fact. Third is Spotify suggests music based on user listening habits. The future trend. First is explainability, providing transparency into recommendation decision. Second is context awareness, incorporating contextual information such as location or time. Third is multi-modal recommendation, use multiple data sources such as text, image, and audio. There are some additional aspects of recommendation system. Challenge in recommendation system. First is diversity, ensuring recommendation are diverse and not repetitive. Second is novelty, introducing new items or content to user. Third is serendipity, discovering unexpected yet relevant recommendation. A recommendation system application beyond e-commerce. First is content recommendation, recommending article, blogs, or news. Second is social media, recommending friends post or content. Third is educational, recommending learn resources or courses. Uh, Recommendation system tools and technology. First is TensorFlow recommenders, a TensorFlow based recommendation system framework. Second is Surprise, a Python library for building and analyzing recommendation system. Third is Patch Mouth, a machine learning library for recommendation system. Ethical concentration. First is base and fairness, ensuring recommendation and fair and unbiased. Second is privacy, protecting user data and ensure transparency. Third is transparency, providing insights into recommendation decision. Here are some additional aspects of recommendation system. Recommendation system challenges. First is diversity, ensuring recommendation are diverse and into repetitive. Second is novelty, introducing new items or content to end user. Third is a serendipity, discovery, constructive, relevant recommendation.